Water scarcity is becoming of our time, but new technologies are offering hope, and among the most promising is the atmospheric water generator. This device literally pulls clean drinking water straight from humid air, making it a powerful solution for people living off-grid, in remote regions, or anywhere traditional water sources are running dry. The science behind it is simple but brilliant. Atmospheric water generators cool air below its dew point, causing moisture in the air to condense into liquid water. The more humid the environment, or the lower the cooling temperature, the more water can be produced. That means this technology works in a variety of climates and conditions, from tropical forests to deserts. For anyone interested in self-sufficiency, building a DIY version of this system is not only possible, it's already being done. With basic materials like heat exchangers, fans, and condensers, individuals are creating homemade devices that capture moisture from the air and filter it into clean, drinkable water. This not only empowers off-grid living but also drastically reduces dependency on public infrastructure. A powerful example comes from a retired Army Ranger who created a portable atmospheric water generator that's been used to deliver clean water to communities in crisis. His machines have been deployed in disaster zones and underserved neighborhoods, showing just how life-changing this invention can be when put into the right hands. For those who prefer ready-made systems, commercial AWGs like the new Water 30 offer advanced features including UV sterilization and reverse osmosis filtration. These systems are compact, energy efficient, and capable of delivering high-quality water even during emergencies when conventional supplies fail. What makes these systems even more sustainable is their compatibility with renewable energy. By integrating solar panels, users can operate an AWG completely off-grid, creating a closed-loop system that's not only eco-friendly but fully independent from external utilities. This pairing of solar and water tech represents a leap forward in the pursuit of water and energy independence. Of course, there are important considerations. Energy consumption, upfront cost, and maintenance are all factors that should be evaluated carefully. But for many, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, especially when access to clean water is at stake. Ultimately, atmospheric water generators are reshaping how we think about water access. Whether you're living off-grid, preparing for a disaster, or just looking to reduce your environmental footprint, this technology offers a tangible path forward. Clean, sustainable, and scalable, AWGs could be the breakthrough that keeps your family hydrated through the worst droughts in history, all by tapping into the air around us.